Welcome. In front of me I have LG NanoCell TV, and today I'll show you how you can change your keyboard language. So at the first you have to tap on the settings icon, on the settings button on your remote control. Right now click on the all settings. Next you have to go for general, pick language. And right now we have to find the keyboard languages. So right here the English is as default. But you can add additional settings by choosing them like that or unselect. So we can add the Portuguese, Polish. We can also add Turkey. And when you go back, you can spot that we got more than one languages on our keyboard. So we basically change the languages input. I'm going to unselect them because I only use English. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.